This is a water and food bowl.
Hi, ako po si Janice de Belen. Samahan niyo po akong sumagot ng mga tanong about motherhood at para makita niyo ang mga bagong cabinets ko from Leapify Steel.
This is Jessie. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Nalock. Uy! Ayun. So, hindi siya basta bubukas. And, best feature, oh. Uy! Ma'am, pwede ka pala dito, oh! This is a water and food bowl na naka-incorporate na. Kasi yung mga dog, yung mga bags nila, napapagod pag lagi silang nakaganon.
As a mother, what makes your parenting style different from others?
Different from others? Siguro kasi because I'm a single parent, wala akong time mambola. So I'm always very direct with my children. I'm very firm with my directness with them. I'm very open and very quite liberal and democratic with my children. Importante yun eh. Kasi dapat laging ganon. Para nagkakaintindihan kayo. It's always nice for difference of opinions. Nag-uusap kayo, nagkukwentuhan.